Hey guys, today I'm gonna play Don't Press the Button 2. We're not gonna actually play this game normally, we're gonna annoy people. We're gonna annoy people in this game. If the game loads, then we will. Okay, I don't think anybody in the server has the comment and things that I have. So let me show you guys it. This is just a rainbow carpet. You guys all know what it does. Oh my god, what the heck was that? Let's get out. Let me show you the one that says number 8. I can blast people with that thing. So that's very funny to do. But they're gonna die anyway, so I don't care. Number 2 gives me money. Robux. Number 3 makes me invisible. Right? Yeah. Number 4
Shove it.
makes a disco that freezes everybody. Number 5 is just coffee. Number 6 is just simple flashlight. Simple flashlight. Oh god, dude. Nope. You guys can fight. Come here, dude. Come here. There we go. Come here. I can just blast her off. Oh my god. Do it. Do it. Well, I win. Dude! Okay, let's go. Bye, everybody. This is so much fun to do. This is so much fun to do. I love this. Hold on. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna do that. Oh! I just love doing this. Look at them. How they're getting flunked. Okay. They can fall off the map though. Good. No! Let's freeze everybody. Only I can get up. Right? Or should we blast everybody off? We're gonna blast everyone off. Bye, guys! Oh, crap. Ooh. Ah!
Wow!
What the hell? Oh, that's Baldi. Let's freeze everybody on the road. Oh, I can't wait to see them die. Oh my god. You guys deserve to die. I'm gonna blast you guys. You guys deserve to die. I'm gonna blast you guys. With a blower. Oh my god, this is not an... This is not a zoo. Get off the map, ball. Get off the map. Oh my god, what did I just say? Alex, don't you dare say it in the comments. I'm gonna spam you on Discord, dude. I'm gonna spam you on Discord. I'm gonna spam you on Discord. I promise, I'm gonna spam you on Discord. If you say it, I'm gonna spam you on Discord. And I won't stop until an hour passed. Look, everyone over there. Shall we blast them? If they get down? Bye! Oh, never mind. I can't get out. Let's just blast them in front of the wall. Did you saw that girl? Reloading. Okay, someone died. Alex, if you
shove
say it, I'm gonna spam you on Discord. Bye. You gonna fell right into the bomb. Yep, she died. Okay, let's see what we can do. It's Piggy! Hi, Piggy! I love you! Oh my god. How can I laugh a pig? That's not even the real sound, but okay. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna blast everybody in there. Look at that. Dewey. Bye-bye. You at least gotta survive. Bye. Okay, let's freeze everybody in the bridge. They're all frozen. They're all frozen. They're all frozen. They're all frozen. Bye. Please don't let it be my head. Oh, good. Bye, everyone. Go to hell, dude. Hey, it's a noob. Hi. Bye. Dude, if Alex, if you say it, I'm gonna spam you on Discord. I'm gonna spam you on Discord, dude. I'm gonna spam you on Discord. You guys deserve to die. I'm gonna shoot a second with the sting. Then we'll see who will die. That girl died. Then she survived. She survived. But you gotta get out anyway. Okay, let me freeze everybody. I don't care if I fall. I'm not gonna get frozen anyway. And now everyone's stuck up. It's so funny. I never had so much fun doing a video. That's not gonna help, dude. That's not gonna help. How dare you? You should have been frozen. Now I'm gonna blast everybody.
Shove it.
Everybody with those shoes. What the? I don't care what you guys can say. I don't care. I'm gonna troll you guys anyway. I mean, it's not trolling. It's annoying. Oh, good. Let's go there. And then everybody who gets here will be blasted off. Like, my name's already there, but I cheated. I cheated. Let's see if we can shoot that far. We can't. Okay, I see someone coming. Haha, bye-bye. Good. Bye-bye. No! Shoot! Bye! She fell anyway. I let her fall anyway, so that's good. Okay, if I see someone coming. Dude, she swore. She swore in Dutch. She swore in Dutch. And it's a really bad word. I'm not gonna even tell you guys. It's so bad. Dude, how dare she? Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, from underneath, am I gonna shoot? Can I do that? They're dead. Ha!
Savage.
Okay, I'm gonna say in Dutch, why do you say that? She said a really bad word. It's I'm not even gonna say it. It's that bad. Oh lol, what did I do? Okay. Oh my god! Did you saw that girl? Oh my god. She has to die. She swore with that word. So that means I'm gonna shoot her. You can fall. You can go away. Bye. Let's go and push them off. Dude, she has it too. How dare she? No way. She. Oh my god, dude. Wait, another person has it? Oh, let's team up. Right, I'm for a video. Can you let me do what I want? Like blast them off? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go to another server, dude. I'm gonna go to another server. I don't want server where nobody can fly. I don't want that. So I'm just gonna join another server. If it lets me. Which it doesn't, so I'm gonna join another server. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get everybody out of here. Oh my god! Oh my god! That didn't even make sense. Get to the other side of the road. Yeah, stay here. Okay, I'm gonna get everybody out of there. 8. Come on, guys, get out. You guys can get out if you want to. Then go out. Dude, what are you doing? What are you even trying to do? Oh, good. That's just me winning. There's another person coming. Disco party? Yeah, sure, why not? I'm not gonna do it, just be- Dude, she- I won't. You can't. Dude, I'm not doing anything. I'm just a little kid. Bruh. I'm gonna hold this. Everybody die. Dude, that's a hacker. What I do? Get out of there. Lol. That's so funny about that wall. You can like get everyone on that wall and then you know what I mean. Okay, well thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do a big thumbs up, subscribe, and then I see you guys in the next one. Bye!